Shalom everyone, maslumkem. Again, si ate ay po ulit ito. Guys, tapos na nating pag-aralan ang infinitive to sing. Now, pag-aaralan naman natin ang infinitive to dance. In Hebrew, lirkod. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay guys, bonat kel. Present tense, dance, for masculine singular, roked. Ani, roked. Ata, roked. Hu, roked. Present tense, dance, for feminine singular, rokedet. Ani, rokedet. At, rokedet. He, rokedet. Present tense, dance, for masculine plural or mixed gender, rokdim. Anachnu, rokdim. Atem, rokdim. Hem, rokdim. Present tense, dance, for feminine plural, rokdot. Anachnu, rokdot. Aten, rokdot. Hen, rokdot. Okay guys, for past tense, dance. Rakaditi. Rakadita. Rakadet. Rakad. Rakda. Rakadnu. Rakaditem. Rakaditen. Rakdu. Rakdu. For future tense, will dance. Ani, erkod. Ata, tirkod. At, tirkedi. Hu, yirkod. He, tirkod. Anachnu, nirkod. Atem, tirkedu. Aten, tirkodna. Hem, yirkedu. Hen, tirkodna. Okay guys, this is the imperative or command. Imperative, dance, for masculine singular, rekod. Imperative, dance, for feminine singular, rikdi. Imperative, dance, for masculine plural, rikdu. Imperative, dance, for feminine plural, rekodna. Okay guys, again, this is the end for today's vlog at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong verb na inyong matututunan. At paalala lang po, baka mayroon pang hindi nakasubscribe, please subscribe na at huwag pong kalilimutan, i-like at i-share. At pakihit na rin po ang notification bell to be updated for more videos. Again naman to dali kulkem, ni trai bablugabashili, lihitraot,